keep it to yourself. No need to contribute or share with me. But if you lose money, don't come after me as well. Okay? So, just a short intro. I have more than 18 years full-time trading till now. So previously, when I first started working, I worked with financial company before, forex company, and even top tiers government agency. So those times that give me the advantage to explore and associated to trading knowledge. So when I started very, very young that time, wow, all this trading give me a very, very beautiful picture because I saw all my trader in the company, wow, all like making good money and so easy life. So that's why it inspired me to follow them after a while. So then I turned into full-time trader since 2005. I'm also founder of a turning point system from year 2015 because Philip Future, that time they also approached me because they have a pool of remisier. And that time remisier purely on knowledge of stocks. They have no knowledge or they are not so keen in forex trading or trading on indexes because actually stock trading or stock for the client from the trading stock is more than enough to make them a good fortune. So once you have a big fortune in your hand, you will not be interested to explore in other area. But then the time slowly, gradually changing. They find that the client slowly losing interest and slowly going more for online trading. So the reminder, as a result, they find that, hey, how do we make more income to it? So that's why this area they come to approach all the trader in trading this kind of future products. So that's why I come in here and I do some education. So since the time I have lots of students started from Malaysia, Hong Kong, even Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Japan, or US, UK. So that is a time when they just started a small, slow time shift from stock, slowly explore into trading future products. So just share a little bit on how I go about trading. And I think this is the same as more of the new trader. Usually we will go to stage one. Stage one, we have no idea on how to trade and how to make money. But then usually, normally for new trader, usually around 2 weeks to 3 months, I think usually your account will burst. If you agree with me, it's okay. If you don't agree with me, it's okay. If you don't agree with me, that means you are actually a professional trader. You can trade very well. But then for all the new trader who started, who is totally a blank new trader, this is a journey they will go through. Normally usually don't last more than 3 months. You have to top up the account already. Then you go to stage two. Stage two is you encounter big drawdown already. Well, then you realize actually you need to do some homework before you start trading. Not anyhow trade, not anyhow gut feel. And you start to have some proper trading journal and you must review it weekly and monthly. Then you come to stage three. Oh, now you try to explore already knowledge-wise. You can read a lot of trading books, attend many trading courses because now a lot of trading websites give you the free knowledge that you can access online to learn it. Then you follow some many so-called copy trading system. I think anyone know about copy trading system invested with it? No? Why, you're so lucky. There are many outside there will tell you that they trade very beautiful and a lot of money that you can just put in a small money, follow them to trade. They give you 50%, 100%. Just follow the signal. Or you just put money with them, they trade for you. So this kind of trading system normally don't last for more than 6 months to a year. Maybe the first 1 month you make money, Second month, maybe you started to encounter problem. Last time usually can last for 3 to 6 months. Right now, getting shorter and shorter. Normally 1 to 2 months gone already. The account burst already very fast. Then you come to stage 4. You suddenly wake up and realize, hey, actually, any simple system can make money one. You don't need many strategy or many complicated strategy to make money. So you just focus on risk management or trading psychology, and then keep a copy of trading journal is good enough. Then stage 5 already, after you compile so many, you learn so many trading strategy already, you try to develop your own and your risk based on the risk profile. Then you must be able to accept actually it's not possible to make money every trade every day, and it is only a probability game actually. So if you able to scout and narrow down, filter out only high probability enter, then you get the money. You don't just anyhow enter every trade that you execute it. And you come to the last stage. Trading is just a normal, simple boarding routine. Every day you do the same thing in and out, in and out. You execute, follow your trading plan. And when you come to stage, no more excitement already. So every day I do, no more excitement, no more feeling already. Just do as per normal. But then that is the time that you started to make some money. If you feel very excited when you execute the trade, that means you haven't gone to stage 6 yet. You must be probably in the stage 1 or 2. So when you come to the stage, you feel no more excitement already. Then I think that you are somewhere there, can start making money already.
Your stage 1 to stage 6, which one is the stage that you join past member?
I think after stage 6. Okay. So just share a bit my normal daily routine. My normal daily routine actually very simple one. Every day I have an internal alarm clock. I can wake up around 7 a.m. Or 6 plus. So, no need alarm clock one. Last time I used the alarm clock, but nowadays after don't know how many years, every day automatic one. Saturday, Sunday also same thing. You didn't tell me, hey, today is Saturday, no need wake up, just wake up. So then after I wake up already, so I do my normal routine is I will identify swing trade direction for video insect. So I will see whether it's an uptrend, downtrend, or it's a sideways market. Then I will identify potential day trade entry level or opportunity. Then I will post in my inner circle group and my signal subscription group. Then I will start trading based on what I plan the trade. I will do the Nikkei index, ASX, Australia index, Taiwan, Simsky, China A50, and Hang Seng till around 10:30. I think that's all for my busy morning. And from there, I will take my tea break or lunch all the way until afternoon around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. when the German DAX start. Then probably in the evening around 8:30 or 9:30, for now the US market start. I will just take a quick look if there's any trading opportunity, then I will just execute the trade. But US market is not my favorite because I like to sleep early. So in order to wake up early. So is trading, day trading and swing trading difficult for retail traders? How many of you are actually trading here? The rest? Then why you join TASS? No, you join TASS must be because it's a technical analysis society. So if you want to apply technical analysis, that means you are somewhere you should be into trading. So if you tell me that you are not trading, I don't believe you. It's a liar. Anyhow, whether you are trading stock is also trading. Okay. So I see that only maybe 10 to 20% raise a hand. That means these 10 to 20% are still making money. So the other 80% probably did not raise a hand. That means you give up in trading or you already not not much interest already. The reason that you don't have interest, most of the reason is because you lose money. If you are making money, your interest very high one, your energy level very high one. Talk about trading only, raise a hand already. So definitely, so many of you keep quiet. That means you actually already not so keen in trading already, or you become an investor already. Because investor, you only put money there, then let the money grow, slowly grow. Trading is different. Trading, you have to do some work every day. Even you're a long-term investor, you should still do some work every day. Try to monitor whether the market is going to turn against you or not. So we will say that it's difficult for retail trader. It's difficult. What's the reason? Because 80% of retail traders, just now we did already prove it, only 20% raise the hand. That means 80% of them keep quiet. That means 80% of them fail to make consistent profit. The key word is consistent profit. I believe that everyone here can make profit in trading. But to make consistent profit is not that easy. So the reason I narrow down to a few, because the capital is too small. Okay? When your capital is too small, you cannot make money on. You still can make money if the account or the broker lets you do a very small lot size. When the capital too small, lot size too big, or your leverage too high. So usually it's only these three reasons that why most of the retail traders fail. So if you reverse it, if your capital very big, and then your lot size very small, and then your leverage very small, you cannot lose money. Seriously, you cannot lose money. Or wrong choice of trading instrument. So your trading strategy or your approach may be very good, but you pick the wrong instrument. Okay. So, or the last reason is you don't have a proper trading journal. You feel, even you have, I have a lot of students, when I encourage them, they keep a trading journal. But after 3-6 months, I ask them, they never review it. You have, but you never review it. So it's as good as you don't have. So what is the reason that you want to have a trading journal? Most of the students will tell me, we no need, the broker will send me a daily statement, also a monthly statement. But then the daily statement and monthly statement is not good enough. Because that one is only purely P and L, money and loss. Whether you make money on this trade, you lose money on this trade. But it does not reveal to you what strategy are you applying and why you enter so early, why you exit so early, or is it following your trading plan? Or what time you get in and what time you get out is also very critical important. Last, not enough discipline, personal time constraint. That one I can't help it because everyone, you have your own personal lifetime commitment. You have your own family to look after, your own job to look after. So everyone will have a different time constraint. So it all narrow down. You have to choose yourself, know yourself. Or maybe you don't have a trading community like TASS, okay, that you can share your knowledge, or whether your strategy is working. Because if you learn a strategy and you with your one trading community applying the same strategy, and you can tell from your peer or the left and right, why everyone applying this can make money? Why everyone applying this cannot make money? Then you have a view, you know that whether you are doing the right thing or not. So unless the strategy is developed by yourself, then no choice. Only you yourself is your own community. So just now we mentioned wrong choice of instrument. What are the instruments that we can trade in the market? Actually, the most simple one is stocks and bonds. I believe that all of us will hold some kind of stock. Whether at least you are Singaporean, our government very kind, give you Singtel share. All of you still have at least a Singtel share, right? Yes? Sold already or not? Huh? Yeah, you see? Government give one, keep until keep until whatever. uh, uh, what? That time we give it, the government give us at how much? $1.80, is it? Or $1.90?
Yeah, 190.
The time when they give to us that time, was yeah. So all of us are actually a stock investor. Whether you like it or not, government will give it to you.
It's not free, right?
Huh?
It's not
Is it?
free, right?
We had to buy, is it?
Yeah.
Okay lah. Buy and no, they give you some and give you some. They give you some also.
Give some, no?
Yeah, they give you some also. Some are free and some you're buying at the offer price. Okay lah, or bonds, okay, or fixed deposit.
Options,
Option, you can do it also lah, but option is actually not the instrument. Option is one of the trading execution, or because option you also depend on whether you are option on stock, you are option on commodity, you are option on index. So you also based on some of the instrument behind it, forex, cryptocurrency, commodity. So for myself, I favor index. So index, known as a stock index, represent a group of stocks. Tracks the performance of a group of stocks, usually calculated in a weighted average. So normally the higher weighted or the bigger stock had a bigger impact on the particular index. So buy and sell, to me, I think buy and sell is more simple and easier versus a basket of stock. Because let's say you buy STI or you buy Simsky versus you buy 30 stock. You have to monitor and analyze this 30 stock. And the capital you spend on 30 stock is actually quite heavy. So if you buy one index, it's as good as you buy one basket of 30 stock. It's more easier. And you no need to spend time on individual stock analysis or screening. Just buy one index, okay, as good as 30 stock. I think it's cheaper commission in trading index versus a basket of stock. Also, you hedge against market downtrend. Let's say you hold 30 stock, suddenly the market come down. You want to sell 30 stock, wow, not easy and quite painful. But then if you think that it's only temporary downtrend, so what you can do, you can just sell the index to hedge it while you're waiting for the market to U-turn out. So what do I trade every day? I trade Nikkei, Australia, ASX, Kospi, STI, Taiwan, China A50, Hang Seng, DAX. It seems quite a lot, but actually my time spent on each index very short. So normally I spend around from 7 a.m. I start for planning on trading on Nikkei, and around 6:50 or 7:50 a.m. for Australia ASX. Then come to Singapore, Simsky Index 8:30 and Taiwan 8:45, China 9. And you can, and Hang Seng particularly, I like is around 9:15 because it's the last stop for the Asia index. So the reason that I do all this is actually the timing sequence. So it is not necessary to execute all the index, but it's good to flow through all the index. Then I can see, and just now I mentioned, very important, you look at this one, is it a high probability for execution? If no, just pass. You only need to spend probably 1 to 5 minutes. You look at it, is it a good probability now at this price to execute? If no, you just pass, wait for the next one. So it's very, very simple if you trade index. Let's say you want to look at 30 stock, suddenly open at 9 a.m., Singapore stock. Well, you're going to analyze, see which one is moving fast. Then your head is quite a lot of heavy analysis. You have to screen through all the 30 stock. But this is purely my view. Some have no problem to doing all this. They look at one index, wow, very boring. They look at 30 stock, wow, very good, challenging. Which one moving, which one higher percentage? So it's individual preference. So the reason for you to start trading, I think there are many reasons. Some to gain knowledge actually, to learn something, to make money. That's most important. Or hobby, backup plan in case your full-time job fail. This one still got a backup plan. Or hobby pastime, especially for retiree. After you retire already, hey, this is the best hobby in the world. Best hobby in the world, I think. Other than playing chess, other than go to the park and play Tai Chi. This one is the best hobby. Yeah, you only need to spend a few minutes a day and then just challenge the market, okay? Or to make profit in trading. So make profit in trading, actually there are only two types. You either do a day trading, which you carry the position for a few days, or you do day trading. Day trading, you normally just stay in the market for a few minutes to maybe until end of the day. Turning point system, I have 4 bread and butter strategy for day trading opportunity every day. So this is what I teach in the class. And 15 minutes for planning and place pending order for each market. Then that's what I do for each market. And normally trades will be executed and exit in first 2 hours after market open. So how to profit from trading? You have a trading plan before you start entering the market, and then you trade the plan. Identify whether the market is trending or sideways. So there's a key and first thing, and have a realistic profit target. If you do a day trading, and your TP and stop loss is definitely smaller. If you do a swing trading, expect a profit, bigger profit, but then your stop loss also you have to tahan a bit bigger. And then you add on multiple entries with trading stop. Have a trade journal and review it to improve the trading system. Have multiple trading accounts instead of only one single account. And this one I will actually encourage multiple trading account. Because when you are doing swing trade and position trade at the same time, and when you are on the one single account, normally it's quite difficult. Swing trade tell you to buy, position trade tell you to sell. Okay, day trade tell you to sell. Then you have a conflict of interest. You want to close the position or you want to leave the position open. So it will be more difficult for you to decide in that way. Also, why I encourage you to have multiple accounts, because different broker actually have a different spread and different commission on every instrument. So you choose the best broker with the best commission that you want to trade, and trade with the broker. Maybe this broker give you cheaper commission in Simsky, like just now I said 1.38. Then the other broker give you $2.05. So of course you trade Simsky on this broker. However, the other broker, Nikkei charge you very cheap, $1. This guy charge you Nikkei $2. So you trade different broker with a different instrument to your advantage. Some broker the spread very big one on different index. Even on a currency pair is the same. Okay, some currency pair on one broker the spread is wider. So you choose to your advantage. But if you narrow down, I only want to follow this particular broker, then you do not know actually you're losing somewhere. If you open your eye a bit, then you look around and try to explore a bit, you can see many different brokers have the different spread to save you some money when you're trading. So market outlook, just now we mentioned market outlook. So market outlook, normally we have 2 ways. Teach you how to fish, okay, or give you a fish. Market outlook, most of the time you attend, the speaker will give you a fish. Will just tell you the market is trending out, okay, going to hit 2005, 3005 at year end. Okay, then for me, my TPS mentorship, actually I give both. I give a student the fish and also the technique and also the signal. So let's say market outlook, for this case, when the market come to here, then is it going up or going down? Just based on this particular candle here. Okay, do you think the market likely to go up or down? So can we have a participation? How many say it's going up? Just based on this chart. How many say it's coming down? Okay, more in favor coming down. Can I ask the reason why you think it's coming down?
Triple top.
Triple top. Okay, that's valid reason. A resistance level. Can I know why you think it's going up?
Bullish candle.
Bullish candle. Yeah. So you see in the market, there's always different view. There will always someone say up, someone say down. That's why there's always a winner and always a loser. Then let's come to this chart. Let's say here now. Now it's here. The next candle, is it bullish, rebounds, bearish coming down, or sideways? This is based on 23rd October. Okay, one more time. Who say it's coming down? Based on this chart, based on 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who think it's bouncing, going up? Huh? Only 3. The rest, I assume is sideways. When you don't raise your hand, it's sideways. Am I right? Okay, majority think is sideways. Okay, 50% think is going up, 50% think is going down. So this is called market sentiment. You go to coffee shop, when you hear a lot of people talking about the market, very hot, it's going up already. You go market sentiment, you ask around the origin. However, one more time, on the 9th November, this is based on last Friday. Based on this candle down here, next one, who think is going up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who think is coming down? 1, 2. The rest sideways again. Okay. No idea means sideways. No idea means sideways. Okay, so it's quite difficult to decide when you come to this kind of. It broke the high, likely can go further up. But intraday trader will tell you, hey, it should be coming down, too high already. But majority will tell you, no idea, sideways. So in the broker, if you open, some of the broker have this thing called sentiment analysis. Okay, some broker have, some broker don't have one. So look for one that have. So based on the sentiment analysis, you look at what they mean sentiment analysis. Down here, okay, 21% of the client bought, 79% of the client sold. Number of clients. So which means that more people selling it. 79% of the clients selling it. Position-wise, about the same. That means you hold the number of positions, not depending on the client, depending on position. Because some client maybe hold 1 lot, some client maybe hold 100 lot. So it's different already, you know. Big client, then this one will tell you whether big client or small client. So big client, only 9% buying, 91% selling. So what does this tell you? Big client is selling, yeah, and more clients are selling. So what do you do? Yeah, so if you follow the sentiment, you will do a sell. But then it's quite difficult even with all the sentiment analysis, because sentiment analysis is a very tricky one. If you are doing intraday, you follow the pool first. But you are doing swing trading, it's different ball game already. So that's why to identify a turning point actually basically is support and resistance. So we should plot some support and resistance to have a clearer view. So these are the areas that you can see the previous resistance, okay, previous support, previous resistance, previous support, previous support. So once you plot the line, 1, 2, 3, you know these are the support area, and this is the resistance area. And then now, the last 3 days, it broke the resistance. So if you are what you call that, the trend follower, you know that you should be buying because it broke the resistance level. Then you should do a buy, and then you just do a stop. Down here will do. Still not enough, you add a trend line. Okay? So the trend line, this was a downtrend all the way, and from here it start breaking up. So you know that this is a strong breakup and broke the resistance. So if you have some technical analysis, you draw the turning point or the support and resistance, you apply some trend line, you have a clearer picture. So with this view now, you think it's going up or down?
Why don't I also draw a channel to see whether he has hit the upper part of the channel?
Channel, yeah. You mean here? Yeah, it's still up. Yeah.
See whether he has hit the 43.997.
That one is another story. So this is advanced level already. Okay, I'm giving you a very basic one. Okay, we do very basic one. So from this basic one, is up or down? Oh, basic also cannot. Jialat. Then okay, with trend line, support and resistance, this one will tell you actually it broke this resistance already. It broke this trend line, broke this resistance, it should be going up. Okay, up okay, wow, we here jialat. Then you can apply what channel or Elliott wave or Fibonacci retracement extension. That one slightly more advanced. But simple one, good enough. Just draw support and resistance, apply some trend line, or you want channel, is good enough. Still not enough, you can apply some indicator. If you apply indicator like moving average, stochastic, super trend, Bollinger Band, Ichimoku, parabolic, all that. So all those indicators can help you have a better, clear picture. So one of the indicator I apply here is super trend. So super trend is green line. If the price above green line, so which means bullish. So this on daily chart is still bullish because just turned over already. Then if you do a weekly on super trend, you can see that it has been bullish all the while. So weekly view will give you a much clearer picture versus the daily view. That's how a daily view have some retracement. But then the weekly view is still way above the super trend. Then you apply your EMA, your 25-day or 50-day, 120. So this is EMA 25 on the daily is still above already, 50 or so above. On the weekly is still way above. So with this, you can more or less have the feeling that it still should be staying above. Yes, that's.
Where should you place your stop loss when you're using the super trend?
When it turn red, when you turn red,
Sorry?
when it turn red.
When it turn red, that means gap is very big,
Very big. If you kiasu, just one candle or two candles.
based on the candle.
Just two candles.
Just then the super trend on the daily chart.
Okay. You want a question? Yeah.
The super trend daily chart.
Yeah.
So this super trend parameter is used for differently on different indicator, is it?
I just use a very standard one. Okay.
Standard one.
Yeah.
I thought different indicators.
Yes.
Parameter that suits that.
I use same one.
Okay.
I make things very simple.
Can you use super trend for day trade? I don't think so, right?
This is day trading.
But would you sold it before the breakup in the super trend? Because it's red, right?
Turn from red turn green already.
Then buy back.
Yeah.
So sell first, buy.
Okay. The other one I want to share is if still not good enough, you go into this thing called seasonal pattern. There's a seasonalchart.com there. So based on a seasonal pattern base, they put it based on the past 30 years. So you look at it, normally September is down, October is down, okay, November is up, December up.
This one is what instrument is it?
Seasonal pattern, based on Dow Jones. I'm looking at Dow Jones. Just narrow down to one index. So now we are in November, right? So seasonal is up. Just now we already gone through the daily chart, the weekly chart. Small. So the trend will still be continue up.
From January to August?
So you look at the,
Yeah, because you only show September to...
I come the next round.
Next,
Oh.
next stop.
Now we are in November. You must invite me back again.
For the fast forward to January next year.
I will come again, January.
Alright.
Okay, so last year, November and December, you can see there is still an uptrend. So right now, we come to November, December, it's still on a good uptrend line. Okay, let me share a little bit on how to profit on day trading. You need a break or not? No need? Okay, so I want to share actually very three simple steps you can do to take some profit from day trading. So step one, you just need to identify is a market trending or consolidating sideways. Then step two, you identify key level support and resistance. That's the turning point. And step three, place a planning order after you have the plan. So market actually normally move in this way. Accumulation, then advancing, distribution, then declining. Normally it's in this direction. So from this chart, can you see one thing or not? Can you see one thing? Accumulation from here to here. Advance, distribution from here to here. So do you see the scale in timeline? Accumulation takes so long. Advance like that only. Distribution not take so long. Then decline very fast. So what does it mean? 70% of the time is sideways. Accumulation is sideways. Advancing uptrend or the downtrend is only maybe 20%, 30% of the time. 70% of the time again is in sideways. So most of the time, market actually in sideways one. So put your mind in. Even in uptrend, they will have a sideways consolidation first before you jump up. So sideways consolidation actually 70% of the time. So identify market trend, uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. So if we look at this one, next one, this one is quite clear-cut. Is it on the uptrend? Hello? Is it on the uptrend? Okay, how many say it's uptrend now from here, next one? Whew. How many think it's downtrend? Cannot be downtrend, It's the green candle, how can be downtrend? You never even see one reversal sign yet. Why you go and say downtrend? Market maker, don't trade with this broker. Always jealous one.
Task really, you can ask sharp question.
So this is a downtrend, this is downtrend, this is an uptrend. We don't think of very complicated. My only chill, don't go and think of what Fibonacci ratio. Just see clear cut, one eye. Still green, why you go and turn red? You want to say downtrend, see at least one bar down first, You haven't seen a down bar, you go and say downtrend. Bully you, market breaker. Okay. So when it's uptrend, what you do is you long and long on dip. When it's a downtrend, you short and short on bounce. When it's sideways, if you are a swing trader, then you stay up because sideways, how you swing, how you carry over a few days, it will be the same. Then day trading, you buy low, sell high. Do day trading is most simple. So most of the time, 70% of the time, sideways market, 70% of the time you do buy low, sell high. Okay? Until you identify uptrend, you long and long and deep. So step 2, after you know it's sideways, uptrend or downtrend, then you go and identify a turning point. Identify a high probability turning point, which is a key level support and resistance. So just now we see the chart something like that. Then very confusing. It could be go further up, it could be go further down. But based on what we learned just now, this one will be an uptrend. Still a green candle. So assume it's up. Okay, assume it's up. Then identify key level of support and resistance. So how we identify? You look back to the left. Okay? These are the previous high level or previous support. Okay, previous turning point, previous support. So you can circle a few of them. That's normally the highest point or the lowest point at the nearest left hand side. Then these are the areas that make you, because you are here, right? So you know that you move up to here. This is a place is probably the first resistance level, your first turning point here, R1. Then go further up. If you broke this one, normally likely will be here. So this will be the second one, the second level of resistance. So assuming the market is coming down, because you are not sure, it could be sideways. So if the market is coming down, the nearest support is somewhere around here. So this you indicate as your support 1. So if we broke this one, go further down, this will be the second support. So you only need to identify probably 2 levels of support and 2 levels of resistance for day trading. Then you go on step number 3, place order already. After you identify, you know. So try pending order, free to use pending order. You do a sell limit or buy limit or sell stop and buy stop. So what you do is, just now we identify R1, R2. So from here, when the market is here, you do a sell limit. When the market move to here, R1, you sell at R1. And a pending order, sell limit at R2. If the market come to here, you sell at R2. Then you buy at here if the market come down, and buy at here, S2. So for day trading, to make money, it's just so simple. If you think this is a sideways, what you do is identify 2 levels of support and 2 levels of resistance. Place 2 buy limit and 2 sell limit. Full stop. Simple or not? Yeah. Every day I just do this until so boring. But then, just how we mentioned, what happens if you think it's an uptrend and not sideways market? Okay, if it's an uptrend, you only do buy. Because uptrend, you only do buy. Don't sell already. You only do buy. So you only place buy limit. If the market come down, you buy. If the market come down here, you buy. So you continue buying. Because uptrend, come down, you buy. Then what happens if the market go up and never come down? So that is a reason that 50% of the trader fail, because they only learn 50% of the pending order. They only do buy limit and sell limit. But then buy stop and sell stop, the other most important part of pending order, they don't do. So you actually do 4 order again. But this time you do the other one, buy stop above R1 and buy stop above R2. So again, 4 order, but if you think it's uptrend, you do slightly different. Buy limit S1, S2, buy stop R1, R2. So every day I put 4 order, but first I identify, is it a sideways or is it an uptrend? Uptrend, I do this. Downtrend, if it's downtrend, you sell only. Okay, sell at R1, sell at R2. Okay, again, you do a sell stop at S1, sell stop below S2. So again, fall order, but downtrend, you do the other way. And to fine-tune a bit conservative approach, if the market is coming down, actually you will buy A and B. It's the same price as you do C and D. But then C and D is actually you are waiting for market to U-turn up. So this is a picture of what I mean. If the market is coming down, you do buy here, buy limit here. But when the market is here, then you do a buy stop here and buy stop here. So this one is a little bit tricky already, but then this is more, I call a conservative approach. You wait for market to U-turn first before you execute the order. So same thing for sell limit. So fine-tune multiple profit target using trailing stop to protect your profit. And first profit target, you can take 50%. Then no preset profit target by trailing stop for remaining position. And position sizing, uptrend buy double, sell trend sell double. This one fine-tuning. Make sense? Okay, this is only my personal execution style. Okay, it may not suit you, but you take a reference. Maybe after you trade for a while, you will know what I mean, this one. So putting it together, I have a trading plan and a strategy with an edge. And plan the trade and then trade the plan. Always use pending order, buy limit, buy stop, sell stop. And you have a trading journal, review it, double the lot size on profitable target, profitable strategy. Because over time you will know whether this strategy works for you. If it works for you, then you slowly double the lot size. And some strategy, you see some drawdown actually over a period of time, but you still don't want to give up, then you halve the lot size first. Okay? Then you quarter the lot size. Then you should give up after a while if you still cannot make money. So make a habit to do at least a monthly withdrawal. This one is important if you are really trading. You must try to make money withdrawal. Whether you make money or don't make money, try to make some withdrawal. You know this is your account. Otherwise, this account will be white elephant already. That means you'll be gone forever. So make a money withdrawal. Whether you make money or you lose money. Last but not least, do not follow tips. So whatever I say, don't follow. You must enjoy doing it and do not make it a habit, burden to do it. So trading is something that you must enjoy doing it. It's your personality. Okay? Some just like to be investor, to be a very long-term trader. Park the money there and let it grow, and don't look at it. Only review it maybe after 6 months or after 1 year. So that is not a good trading. That is purely investment. But so long as you make money, it's okay one. And consistency actually is everything. So you make money, but you have to be consistent. So how to start trading? Read trading books, learn yourself. There are a lot of free online resources now. Open broker account with demo or micros to start learning with at least 100 trade or 3 months. So that means if you want to apply any strategy that you learn, my suggestion is try it for 3 months, okay, or at least with 100 sample or paper demo first, and sign up with some mentorship program with proper guidance or trading community and learn some strategy to apply. So last I want to touch about is trading psychology. After you have been trading for so long, so how do you make your mental that you're able to win the market, that you are able to execute the trade? Right now, a lot of us have a fear of entering the trade already if you have been losing money. Yes? No? All are very professional. I believe TAS all are veteran traders. But then we just go through the cycle a bit. I just share with you how do we overcome this mental psychology. Okay. Able to spend time in day trading. So investor, long-term, limited time swing trading. able to spend time. If you're able to spend more time, then you can do day trading because you can spend more time. Because day trading actually require you to have more time to look at the market, okay, at least to put in the trade, adjust your trading stop and all this. And if you're hardworking, you like to spend time to analyze, probably you can do more stock analysis of bonds. If you only want to trade, then these are the few various instrument indices, forex, commodity, cryptocurrency, and all that. So no strategy is 100% profitable all the time. Any strategy, I think, with expectancy ratio more than 1.1, that means you put in $1, you get $1.10 return, or win rate above 55% with 1-to-1 risk reward. I think it's good enough, good strategy. 80% of trader cannot make consistent profit over a long time. Still, consistency is the key. So my strategy, I have a 55% win rate and more than 1.1. That's my trading journal in advancedtps.com. So now come to the very important part. If you forget about everything, this one maybe you should take home. Trading psychology. Market actually is random one. Okay. You can even say, I analyzed a lot already. Market is uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. But then suddenly still can downtrend. Right? So it's just random. And different experience will give you different result in mindset. So whatever you encounter before, we are human. We always remember the worst thing that happened to us. Okay, the worst thing that time I enter, this particular trade, wipe me out everything account. This particular stock that I bought, gone to zero. So this property I bought, I should have made 100%, but I only make 10%. So the kind of thing, the experience will give you different results. But then another guy, I go in, I make 40%, so he will be very happy all the time. So a winning strategy with 60% win rate. So if I share with you, let's say I tell you now, this strategy, you learn and apply it, you have 60% win rate. So what does it mean? If you execute 100 times, you'll win 60 times with 1-to-1 risk reward. You make it very simple. Because of course you can have a 1-to-2 or 2-to-1 risk reward. Then you have a different probability. So make it very simple, 1-to-1. That means you bet $10, you either make $10 or you lose $10. So any rich guys here with at least 200 cash in a wallet or not? Can you take out a wallet? Check. You take out, support me a bit. Anyone with $200? Wow, $50 also have. You take out, count. Huh? Wow, all bank in a credit card. Wow. Got Huh? Okay, come. Yeah, you are rich, man. Okay. Now you stand here. Okay. Let's say you are the trader. I give you this strategy, 60% win rate. Okay, I am the other side. Okay. You are trader A, I'm trader B. Okay. So let's say you must be willing to lose $100. But then you win you remember the win rate is 60%?
Yeah.
So then you should be winning at the end.
How many times?
Many times until you win. Okay, so
win.
market is random. Let's say first week already, week 1. Mike, you look this. Look at here. Okay, okay. So market is a random one. Let's say normal market direction. Normal market. Take out.
No, I will put it back.
Take out. Okay. Okay, you give me your $100. I give you 10 first. I give you 10, easier to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, the other keep. Okay? Yeah? So this is your $100 trading capital. Okay, he come into the market. Okay, he put $100.
Very happy.
Must look at him. Okay?
Okay.
So market is very normal. Very normal. So first week, we do 10 trade. First trade, he win or lose? You put $10 up. You win, okay, I give you $10.
$10. Yeah.
Good, right? Easy money. So second trade, he win or lose? Give me $10. Third trade, he win or lose? Fourth trade, he win or lose? Fifth trade, he win or lose? Six? Seven? 8? 9? So total his profit is?
$10.
Not yet.
10.
One more.
$10 only.
One more. Win, So he win
$20.
$20. So your win rate actually is 60%. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. 60%, but then you have to include, you will lose 40%. So actually his net return is 20. Correct? So your profit must withdraw. Important is, remember, you must make withdrawal, especially you make money already. Okay? Happy or not? Happy, So wait. Profit must withdraw first. Okay. Still got week 2, ma. You must be continue trading one, ma.
I want to withdraw.
Yeah, withdraw, put here first. Okay. Second week, let's say you bet. Every time you bet is $10.
Yeah.
You win or lose? Okay. Right? Win or lose? One more. Every
Win,
time.
then I take a month.
No, you haven't. You must take out money first, ma.
No, put it
Win,
back. Okay.
Third trade, you win or lose?
Win again.
Fourth trade, you win or lose?
See?
Sixth trade, you win or lose? Seventh trade? Well, we got lose, not yet, ma. Seven trade. So how much profit you make already?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only.
Huh?
$50 only.
Is it fifth or did he give you fifth trade already?
$50.
Sixth trade. Sixth trade already, So he make
$60.
$60. So what do you do now?
What do I do now? Holiday already $60 and a lot there.
No, you continue one, ma. You continue.
I thought I changed account with somebody else.
No, okay. You continue, put another 10.
No, you don't take from me first.
What is
When I
7?
win, loss, then I pass to you. Then
So that is wrong. Okay.
I bet here. Yes, here.
So actually, for normal human, you will increase the lot size and increase the capital because the strategy works very well.
Yes.
Correct or not? But then you put $20.
No, you don't take lah. I put it here first.
Lose,
No, lose, I give you lah.
Is it win or lose? No lah. Say you are normal human Okay. One more. 8 trade. 9 trade. 10. So how much you make total this week?
20, only left 20.
Yeah. Still got 20%. Withdraw out. Okay. So he is a abnormal person. Okay? Because normal trader, you would have increased a lot size, which is what he did. He put 20 instead of 10. Remember? On the 7th trade, he put 20 already. So actually 8, he will put 20, 20, 20.
Lose already.
But then this is not human. He still continue 10, 10, 10. Okay, so if he do that, most likely he will lose 20%. Because you put 20, 20, 20, 20. Then let's say we come to week 3, continue trading again. Okay, right? $10,
No,
win or lose? Another 10. Win or lose? Another 10.
Hey,
Fourth
say the
trade,
right thing, like, say
win or lose?
!aiyo!
Fifth trade, leh?
Lose or not? Win or not?
Not yet. We don't know yet. You put here first. You put here. Oh. So what do you do, normal
Give up
human?
already, lah.
Give up already, right?
$5.
Yeah. So this is what the normal human will do. But then this guy is not human. I told you already, he's not human. So he'll still continue. You'll continue, okay?
$10.
Win or lose?
Win.
Take back already, lor. 6 trade, win or lose? 7, 8, 9, still win. 10, still win. So count what's your total profit.
$20.
Yeah, still make, right? So that's why if he is consistent and not human, after a streak of 4 trade losing, he still continue. But we are human, right? Then what do you do after the 4th trade? We are human. On the 5th trade, he said give up already. Remember? He said give up. On the 6th, probably you also give up. And on the 7th, you think maybe you can try because start making money. But then instead of 10, maybe he put 5 only. 7, 8, okay lah, try a small of it, maybe 5 or so. Then at the end, 9, 10, then you back to normal 10, 10. That's why at the end, non-human like him still make 20. But then human like us probably lose already. Because on the 5th trade and 6th trade, we give up. Then let's say continue, market not yet finished. So we go to week 4. Correct? Right? 10, win or lose?
Lose.
Second,
!aiyo!
third,
Say the right
fourth.
thing. !aiyo!
So after 4th losing trade, what do you do?
No lah, find another guru already lah.
Find another guru already, right?
Yeah,
Find another guru already, right?
This one cannot.
Human will, this one cannot already, right? Correct or not? But then he's not human.
I'm not.
Continue.
So what am I?
Continue, robot.
So what is it now?
Next table.
Next one. Put your $10 hand here. You got to place the trade before market open. Win or lose? And shaking already. On the 6th trade, win or lose?
!aiyo!
On the 7th trade, win or lose? On the 8th trade, win or lose? After 8th trade already, how?
Give up already lah.
But he's not human. Continue.
Lose.
On the 9th trade, how? Then what happened?
Oh, withdraw.
He still got withdrawal. But what happened? Normal human. Normal human like us. Okay, just recall what do you do when your account bursts. Yeah, you scold the strategy, scold the instructor, scold the teacher, scold whatever share this strategy with you. Yeah, and you give up totally. You give up or you top up?
No, I scold first.
But you're not human, you're not human. Yeah, on the week 5 already, how?
Close
You still have $200, remember, in your pocket. You only put $100.
Only left 100 left.
Yeah.
There are 100 for other things.
Oh, 200 is purely for capital trading, okay? Other thing one not inside here.
No, I have to go up to the mountain
This
and think.
$200 prepare to loss all.
Prepare loss all,
Now,
yeah.
my crew have to continue already.
Yeah, continue. You are not human. You are not human.
Correct, because you already have predetermined and preset this a maximum loss already.
Yeah, your maximum loss
Go on
200.
already.
Go on already.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to the advice. Take out your another
I
200.
don't think the maximum already, You are not.
Take out your another
doing
100.
that, or I go and borrow from Along, I go and gamble and gamble. This is the maximum
Really?
already.
Wow.
This is the maximum
没有
already.
钱的 no,
Last chance.
$50. You give me 50 first. No, 50. Is it 50?
100 lah.
Huh? Give me 100. No, then wrong, man. This is okay.
Okay, yeah. Then he continue. Because he is not human. Normal human give up already. Chan also not human.
Hey, this is
Huh?
110.
110, okay. Honest. Okay, right, bet again. Win. Second. Wow. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Wow, going to moon.
7. 8. 9. 10. So he is consistent. This week, give him the moon. Right? Give him the moon, yeah. Then, but most likely, like we said just now, the human one, we will have given up. Correct? Because first week, the previous week was a strict loss. Totally lost until the account burst. Very few like Chan and this guy, non-human, will go and top up and continue. But then this week, market really turned around. Give you one whole streak of winning. But then those people who give up, you give up already. So even this week, the market is good return. You will get zero return because you give up already. So only Chan and this guy, who is non-human, continue trading and reap the big profit because the market turned around this week. So to summarize, so I give you back your money first.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Just
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
That's all from your wallet lah. Yeah.
For you, how do you implement your trading
Yeah.
with this kind of risk management when you do not know how much money you will make from each trade?
Later.
And you also do not know how much money you will lose from each trade.
Yeah. No, you already determine. That means you're going to have a one-to-one risk reward. You're going to have, which means that you bet $10, you're going to lose $10. Okay? And then you're going to have a maximum loss in this capital.
But then again, sometimes, okay, at the end of the day, what happens if the order is not done? It didn't reach your take profit level, so the order is not filled.
GTO, GTC, good till cancel.
The next day, it could go, get up, get down. So
Yeah.
how do you deal with that?
Gap down, it depends. Gap up or gap down, maybe you are in favor to you.
So you can go either way.
You can go either way.
Let's say if it gap down and then it's beyond your one-time stop loss.
Then the account bursts. Okay, I tell you how later. Okay, just now we recap because he's not watching it. So now we recap. Then you watch what happened. Okay. Student already start learning because after a series of trading, wow, very lost. So now he have to go to mountain and start learning again. So actually on week 4, one whole streak of losing. Every trade he enter is losing. So net loss 100%. This is what we may encounter. Okay, whether it's a series of loss or even just one trade, like Nick mentioned, even just one trade that you hold overnight position, and the next day the market turn against you, so your whole account could burst. But then You only put $100 in the account, ma, so burst okay lor. Maximum loss is 100 lor. If your loss is more than what your capital inside, a good broker will just limit to your maximum loss in your capital. A lousy broker will try to chase you. Hey, you lost another $500, you must go and top up and all that. Don't answer.
Yeah. They have auto liquidation come to a certain margin level.
Yeah, yes. Yes. But then the MT4 one, it depends. If your leverage is too high, okay, if your leverage is too high and the market drop very fast, it may burst through your margin level. But then if you're a good broker, they will just square off everything for you. Okay, so this year your net loss probably is 50. If your capital is increased to 200, then your week 5, okay, if you're consistent, you try again. The market kind enough to make you win back. Then week 6 and 7, okay, the market come to normal again. Well, right now you got plus, minus, minus, plus. Then your net will be 20, 20. So over 4 weeks instead of over 1 week, over 4 weeks, okay, you actually make back $40 if the strategy works well and the market is random. Okay, this is just hypothesis. Over a long term, this is what you will encounter, because when we mention the strategy have 60% winning rate, we are talking about over a period of time and maybe over 100 sample. But then most of the time when we encounter like on the week 4 or week 3, we have given up because we have a lousy experience. So we recap again from week 1 to 7. Okay, week 1 and 2. Okay, for week 1, if you go this way, it's quite normal. You get 20%, $20. For week 2, also quite normal. You get $20. But then when you come to week 3, as we mentioned, let's say you encounter very a strict drawdown on the four consecutive trade, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when you come to week the 5th trade, if you are non-human, okay, or you are very disciplined, then you continue, you still make 20. Except kind of week 5 and week 4, you continue losing the whole week. Then the one bo pian until your account bursts. Then you must top up another $100 to continue. So over 7 weeks, you still able to make 100%. This is an ideal situation. But then actually what happened is this way. Okay, week 1 you go is quite normal, very consecutive, you do it. Week 2, because Jose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all winning Then on the 7th trade, like what Robert had experienced, he will increase. This is what most of the traders will do, because the strategy already proven. You think already proven. Well, first week can make 20%. Second week, wow, Jose, every trade also make. Then you continue, but this time you increase your capital, you increase your lot size to 20, 20, 20, 20. So at the end, you actually lose 20 instead of consistently still making 20. Then on the week 3, lucky you experience a streak of drawdown instead of a streak of winning. 4 consecutive drawdown. Then on the 5th or 6th trade, you will be skeptical already. You become very skeptical. You think, ayo, I need sway this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 买走. So you skip. Actually, you skip. 6th trade, you also, I think also skip. But then you see, actually 5th and 6th can make money. So you start coming back. But then still a bit skeptical. You only put half the lot size. Instead of 10, you put 5, 5. The next 2 trade. Strategy can work leh. Then continue 10, 10. But then in this case, overall, you still losing money. So that's why 80% of the trader cannot make money because of this experience. The worst is come to week 4, this kind of scenario. One whole streak of losing, or even just 1-2 trade, because the loss is very big, until you lost the whole account burst. Then this is the time most of the traders will give up already until this stage. No more week 5 already. So week 5 is 0, 0, 0, 0, because you don't want to continue. 6 also don't want to do. You said go to next school already, go to which mountain already, Bukit Timah Hill. Okay, so that's why I come to here, most of the traders will give up down here already. Or after this one, then continue with this one. So that's why at the end is net loss. Even your whole capital is burst. So this is a reason that why in trading, most of the traders will lose money because of this experience. So how do we overcome it, or how I overcome it? Want to know or not?
Yep.
Very few. Want to know or not? Okay. Because very few, also no motivation. No need to continue. So market is random. We already confirm. You have to confirm say market is random. Market is random. Different experience will give you different mindset, correct? Just how we encounter already. If one whole streak of losing, you won't continue already. We always control by 2 emotions: fear of losing out or grief over winning. So that's why learning the same strategy but give different result over a long time. So because what you enter, what you experience, they give you the different result. So when you want to start a new trading strategy, do not trust the published result, because the guy have their own discipline to do it, and you don't have the kind of discipline or the kind of experience to convince yourself to do the same thing. Always do back test first. Okay, try to back test, see whether it works for you, and start with demo account of micro lot size. Then forward test with at least 3 months or 100 real sample before you increase the lot size. So have a few different broker accounts instead of only one single account. Do you have this experience? You execute, put in the same trade, put in the same order, but then this broker still can make money at the end. This broker, no matter what you do, what you put, always cannot make money one. I have. So I can tell you that, especially different instrument. This broker I put in Nikkei, cannot make money. This broker I put in Nikkei, can make money one. So that's why you need to experience it yourself. Different account with different instrument, different account to trade different strategy. Some are intraday position as they may have conflict of interest. So how do I do it? Just simply answer what Nick do. How I do it is, I split my trading account into capital. So assuming that I have, let's say I have 10,000 capital. Don't want to put too big. Let's say I have 100,000 or 10,000. I use a 10,000 example. Assuming that I'm willing, just like Robert said, he's willing to put $200 into trading capital. And this 200 is purely for trading. Exclude all other things. So let's say I have 10,000. This 10,000 I dedicate for trading one. You must have some other reserve. Other than this 10,000, you're doing other. So this 10,000, you prepare to lose everything one. But then 10,000, you split. For my case, what I do is I split into 10 1,000 account. 10 1,000 account. Then each account, I can afford 100% trading risk. And then actually, if you look at it, one account is actually 10% of my total capital. So when I want to risk, I risk whole account one. But then I have the other 9 accounts standby. So this is how I do it. Then once the first account bursts, I will continue with the second account. Or you can top up and transfer it to the first account to continue it. But normally I will continue from the second account. Win back from the second account, then I put back the first account. So aggressive trader, sometimes I aggressive, I put in this way. Instead of 1,000 account, I put first account 1,000. I risk this account first. Then second account, I put 2,000. Third account, I put 3,000. And fourth account, 4,000. So in this case, I still have 10,000 capital, but I split into 4 different accounts. Each account bigger. Then what did I do is, if the first account bursts, I continue the second account, but this time I can double the lot size because my capital is double up. Because I have confidence in my strategy. The first account bursts, I know that the good day coming to the moon is coming soon. But then you have to have faith and confidence in your strategy over long time that you have been executing it. So you know that over long term you can make money. Then you can do it this way. But then if you don't have confidence to do it, I tell you, your first account burst already, you stop already. You will stop. You don't go to the second account, third account anymore. So you have to make your strategy proven to you, confident in it, you are able to execute it. The reason how you have confidence is if you have at least 100 samples or you have already tested over 3 months, then you can more or less assure that this strategy is working fine for you. So for me, I have 4 bread and butter strategy for day trading, high probability of occurrence, first few name when market open, and strategy execute briefing. I also have a debrief post in my student group. So this one is my cost strategy. Never mind lah. I shall not go through this unless you're keen. So key level is the one I posted to my student group. What are the turning point, the market high probability of entry. Then I also give the swing trading direction for Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Nikkei, Simsky, Hang Seng, and DAX. So day trading signal, this is the one I give the entry level, profit target, and stop loss. This is a key level for Hang Seng and DAX. Hang Seng and DAX 2022, 2023, 2024 until end October. So the student feedback, what else? So the cumulative result breakdown for the month. So I have a lifetime access for my student and intraday strategy and bonus for all attendees, 3 months attending. I got a proprietary Excel spreadsheet for my student, and I have post a signal group with my daily trade plan. This is the one that I draw every day. The indexes, I say, okay, just now I show you already. How do we do is step 1 here. Have to draw support and resistance, then add on the trend line. So this is what I do every day. That's why it becomes a normal daily routine. After that, you put in your pending order. And this is what my cost fee like. 3,002, quite expensive, right? But I don't make this kind of money on education. So attendee, normally I give very special rate, only 550. And sign out code. So normally for those my attending the talk, I give 15% discount at 467. Past student only $80. And this is the best offer I give normally, up to 30%. So 385. Okay.
Can you cycle back? I want to see the code.
This one.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. If you have question, you can also post to me. So attendee special 385. WhatsApp me. Okay, this is my contact number. So far, how is it? I hope that you have benefited from the how to 3-step to do the day trading and then the market psychology. Any question again?
At which point do you increase the lot size?
Oh, where do you increase the lot size? After 3 months.
After you make 100%,
No need, after 3 months, good enough. After 3 months.
after things stabilize and short.
No, first 3 months is for you to confirm the strategy is working well for you. Then you start doing it. So the next 3 months, if you're still making money, you can actually double the lot size already.
You don't take into consideration the volume,
I don't.
because normally when
Yeah,
you
for stock, you look at volume. For indices, the volume doesn't make any sense.
Hang Seng also have the volume, right?
Yeah. You can look at the volume if that is that help you. Any indicator or anything extra that makes your system more profitable or more confident, you can. I actually look at very, very simple thing. I just look at the support and resistance, draw a trend line. Okay. Then if I still not convinced, I will add in some indicator. Normally that's good enough already. And especially I'm doing the so-called the bread and butter strategy or turning point, which I put in the trade even before the market open. Because actually in the real future platform, you can put in a pending order before the market open. But for CFD and MT4, you can only put in the trade after the market open. So the difference between the future trader or the future trader advantage is we can put in the trade before the market open. So before the market open, there's no volume. Even the first 5 minutes, the volume is meaningless. And usually I trade a very short time frame. The first 5 minutes I can get in, and sometimes I get out within 2 minutes or within 5 minutes. You already hit the profit target.
What's the time frame you use for the step 1, step 2, step
1 minute. No lah. When you are planning the time, you do a hourly chart.
3? Okay. Then the execution could be 1 minute.
Yeah.
Also use the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Also use the 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
Scalper lah.
Yeah. When you are doing a day trading, you should use 1 minute for day trading. Then you use hourly or half an hourly or 15 minutes for your planning. Execution 1 minute. But if you are doing a day trading, that means swing trade, then hourly is good enough.
Swing trade.
That means you carry the position over a few days.
And the execution is still.
No, it doesn't matter already because it's a price.
Okay. So it's like 5 minutes too slow, is it? For the execution part.
No, when you are doing a day trading or swing trade, you should not look at the chart anymore.
Yeah.
You should look at the chart to plan and put in the order and close the laptop and don't look at it anymore.
Yeah.
Because the more you look at it, the market can hypnotize you. The market will tell you, hey, I'm coming out. You'll be influenced by the market to move up. But then if you are a day trader, you are able to move out and get in and get out very fast. So it's okay for you. But if you are doing a position trade and you look at it, you'll be influenced by the market direction.
That's why for the bread and butter strategy, is 1 minute.
Yeah, we only do the market opening.
Oh, okay.
So normally the trade will be completed, let's say half an hour
Then you go to
after the
next
market. Yeah.
Once actually, just now that you illustrated the with Robert, right?
Yeah.
I mean, a bot will be able to do all the trades. A bot has no emotion. It plays the trade every day, daily.
Yes. But the robot has one disadvantage. The robot cannot see a very clear support and resistance level. Let's say if you have one day, the market suddenly move a spike out. So the robot should take the big spike into consideration as a history data or exclude that particular bar. Let's say suddenly there's one move, 1,000 point, only 1 minute, 1,000 point move. Example like Nikkei, I think I illustrated to my student. There's one particular time, around 2 p.m., suddenly there's a one spike, 1,000 point, but then it's only that 1 minute. So the robot will be confused. But then we as a human, I can say exclude this bar, because this bar has no meaning. But then the robot would have taken that bar as a resistance level, very high, 1,000.
You trade news.
Yes and no. Normally, I don't trade news because I only do market open. So by the time my trade would have completed before the news start. But then, if you hold the position over a certain time, then probably I will take aware that, okay, there will be news coming up.
So you close before the news come out, right?
No, just put the TP and stop loss, let it run. Because the news will help you escalate to the profit target. Okay, so any more questions?
Do you use order flow?
No. Last time I used order flow, market profile, and all that. But I find that too troublesome to me lah. I become very simple. I become just look at eyeball only. Just look at the place, okay. I more or less become more and more simple. So a lot of indicator like volume and all this I also don't want to use already. Even all the moving average I also don't really bother. I only look at the support and resistance and trend line. Then okay lah, on and off, maybe draw some Fibonacci ratio. Okay.
The futures account, leverage accounts, they have
Oh, in Singapore, the broker leverage very low one, 1 to 50 only.
okay. So basically, you are trading with leverage. It's not
Yeah, but the leverage very low, 1 to 50. So you have to put in a lot of capital. For me, normally, Philip, I have to put in about 100K. But then for me, because we are trading high volume, every month over 250 lot. So as a high volume trader, they will give you 4 times intraday leverage, which means that if I put 100 capital, day trading, I can trade until 400K. But if you carry overnight, then they will reduce back to only 100. Yeah. So there's a certain thing that I teach in the course, because only future trader we know. What is the scenario that the future trader will do at the end of the market? They wouldn't, for the day trader, they will not want to carry overnight. So they will have to close the trade in order not to increase the leverage. But then this is the time that we can take some advantage during the market close and during the market open. But then if you are doing the CFD, then may or may not make any difference. But then the pattern, the price movement will still be the same. Okay, how? Zhang Wei? Good? Okay, any more questions? Gabriel?
So which market is the most profitable for you?
My most profitable is Hansing and Nikkei and German DAX.
What are the characteristics of this market that you think is more suitable for your strategy?
They have a specific timing open.
But
They
Dow-
cannot be late one.
But Dow and Nasdaq
Dow,
also have
yeah,
a-
don't have. They actually open at 10:30 p.m. Right now,
Okay.
but then because they are 24 hours index, so there's no advantage. My advantage is it must have a specific market time close, like Hang Seng close at 3 a.m. Then next day open at 9:15. So there's a time gap in between. So how do you take this advantage of the time gap? Then that is my forte.
But the Dow futures, I mean, Hang Seng also got overnight futures. Right?
Yeah, but they run until 3 a.m. only.
Then after that, the CFD, then the Dow also.
No,
got
CFD they also close at 3 a.m.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Hang Seng, not 24 hours.
not 24 hours.
Nikkei, I thought is more than.
Nikkei is more to close to 24 hours. But then Nikkei, that's why Nikkei is a very interesting instrument. Because Nikkei had actually 3 exchange. Because like Hang Seng, there's only one exchange, traded in Hong Kong exchange. For German DAX, traded in Eurex. Okay, Simsky traded in SGX. But then Nikkei, do you know there are actually 3 exchange? CME, okay, SGX, and JPX. So the real one is actually a JPX, Japan Exchange. But then a lot of people don't know because they look at Nikkei, they thought it's 24 hours because CME is 24 hours. But then Japan Exchange is not 24 hours. Japan Exchange has a certain time close, certain time open one. So whatever outside that Japan Exchange time is not a real market. I don't call not because CME is real market ma. Yeah. Yeah. So whatever the price move, when the next morning 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. when the Japan exchange market open, things will have to come back to where it stopped.
That's a reference point, right?
Yeah.
Because where do they take the cue from?
Yeah.
Because the Japan market is closed, right?
Yeah.
So
But
that's
then
why
the
they
other way
lose
is
money.
Japan Nikkei have to look at what the CME market doing.
CME
So depend on who is a stronger pool.
depends on the volume, right? CME has the largest volume. Which market has the largest volume?
Nasdaq.
No, I mean
Actually, it should be
Nikkei
JPX.
Nikkei index.
Should be JPX.
JPX, right? Singapore, that one is duplicate one, right? Because
Yeah, Singapore that one is
duplicate,
different. Yeah.
they duplicate and list it. So that's why at one time the Japan exchange wanted to complain, say they don't recognize the market or ask them to pay money or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know how do they settle it. Remember? Last
Still
time
continue. Still continue.
that's why they duplicate and still continue. Yeah.
Because if they want to stop SGX,
They want to
then
stop
they have to stop CME.
Yeah. Then pay license fee lah.
Yeah. Whatever you say, they go and argue over it.
What was the outcome? But still continue, right?
Yeah, still continue.
It's just like OTC lah last time.
Something like that.
OTC also they create their own.
Okay, so I think that if not, we'll end the session now. Hope. How is it so far? So good? Have you learned something? Okay, good.
Okay, thank you.